and his finishing ability. I think those are the unique things that...
That was necessary. Thank you. That's where I was afraid that was coming from.
Congratulations to the Ford King, Richard Bazzi, on his newest location, Schultz Ford South in West Mifflin.
And now, super genius, Mark.
I would want total and absolute autonomy.
Hey, Mark, great show. Are you
freshmen and transfer students on Saturday, November 9th? Learn what makes LaRoche distinctive, from our high demand in creative majors to our global focus in Catholic heritage.
Stag, I agree. I like that line, but I also love it when Sid plays against a guy like Bergeron or against McDavid head up like we saw Saturday, because we see what's what. We see who's got the best 200-foot game in hockey, and it's obviously Sid.
Sid just does so many little things that other guys dream of doing.
Plus, ASU Online accepts most transfer credits. For information, text ASU 35517. Learn for yourself why ASU is ranked #1 for innovation by U.S. News and World Report. And learn to thrive with Arizona State.
When you need them.
We have the same attitude towards appointments. You can meet with us at one of our locations throughout Western Pennsylvania or even in your home.
We've been doing this for over 50 years. Accessibility, experience determined.
Work done at your house and you think, oh yeah, I can do that. And then you realize, I don't know anything about electricity. Hey, you can't play around with that. It could be dangerous. So call CW Electrical Services. That's who we are.
Very charge for tire disposal and GPMS service where required. Shop fee of 10% based on regular retail price not to exceed $35. Terms and conditions apply. See store for details. Buy 2 tires, get 2 free. Now through December 2nd. Only at NTB.
Spilled your juice? Quick, the quicker picker up. The Ramones Pet Cemetery on Greystone Gags 1059 DX. That's
that he can make plays when they do get the puck, and he has a conscientious game. He can play 200 feet. You know, he has the ability to catch.
During Mattress Black Friday sale, save up to $600 on select Tempur-Pedic adjustable mattress sets. Plus, get $300 in bonus cash. Good toward your choice of sleep accessories. No one has more Tempur-Pedic than Mattress Firm. Don't wait, take home the most highly...
Again, football is back, the crisp weather has returned, and you still have some projects you'd like to tackle. Let the experts at 84 Lumber help with whatever is on your to-do list. A new shed or garage, new windows to keep your home warm this season, or maybe you're interested in utilizing...
They live in your community. You can always count on them to be there when you need them the most.
Call an Allstate agent to get local expert advice on the best coverage for you.
You have the whole hour to text it in, so do it safely. Text BAG to 200-200. Good luck.
WXDX-FM, Pittsburgh's rock and alternative.
Unbelievable. There's not many guys who could do that, not many lines who could do that. But the Bruins fan is, if that ever dries up to the slightest.
What will the game plan be offensively against Indy?
Well, like I said, Mark, I think it's going to see more of what you saw. What we saw in San Diego was a byproduct. one in South West End in New Jersey. That's all this guy's
Jesus fuck, you better get out of the lane so I can turn, pal.
Of just getting these guys.
Yeah, there you go.
I mean, you kind of play...
25% on a $100,000 settlement.
You're not really doing that.
More by hiring Shenderovich, and Fishman. They got your back, not your wallet. You know me, I tell the truth. Don't throw.
You're driving down the wrong lane, pal.
First on Channel 11 News on Fox 53 at 10.
Good evening, I'm Lisa Sylvester.
I'm David Johnson. And tomorrow's forecast first. From Stephen using that.
Dumbass.
Purge TV series. I'm way behind there. I finally watched the Breaking Bad movie. I never did see the new Rambo. I haven't watched that.
Colin. Cut me off, you jackal.
Fox Bet. Make the call.
21 and over. New Jersey or Pennsylvania only. Gambling problem? Call 1-800-GAMBLER.
I bet
Red.
you feel like you need a new plumber. You've been using some jamoke with a wrench, but you don't...
One life. That's how First National Bank is redefining convenience. With a top-rated mobile app that puts more security and control at your fingertips, and friendly people to help you succeed right by your side.
Stonewall Golf Club, located in Elwood City, just 40 minutes north of downtown Pittsburgh. Old Stonewall offers you an event you can have confidence in from start to finish. Their event prices can...
The daytime coughing, aching, stuffy head, fever, sore throat, power through your day. Medicine. Use as directed. Keep out of reach of children.
Stop by O'Reilly Auto Parts for our See Better, Drive Safer sale.
So far.
Neither can I. I think that's partly, Mark, because we haven't had a chance to see it yet. There's no doubt in my mind that if there's one thing that can be culled from his...
My money on somebody else. I just have a feeling that the second that dries up to the smallest degree, this team's going to really struggle.
Who's playing the best hockey right now? People talk about where Crosby's going to rank among the all-time greats. I think 3 cups combined with his...
CARF 200. Confirmation text and info. Standard data and message supply in this nationwide contest.
Nissan, and introducing Bowser Chevrolet in Monroeville and Beaver Falls. The power of Bowser is always about giving customers the best price, the best selection of vehicles, and the best customer service experience. And now the...
Sometimes I feel the fear of uncertainty. crazy.
scarring, the hardening, the things associated with our.
I'm not. Can they keep winning? Is almost a completely different answer, because when you look at the teams that they're facing, A, the schedule isn't good. B, the Steelers' defense is really good. You look at, for example, this weekend.
That car facing this way. This is a one-way alley.
Every sport, to some degree, and that goes for VAR, video assistant referee in soccer in England. Replay is killing every sport to some degree, but you can't put the two.
This week, and you had all four of these teams, and they all win, but yet Clemson trounces whoever they're playing. All of a sudden now Clemson moves into the top four, and one of those four teams has to fall out, which we've seen in the past, which happens every week. There's craziness in the college football ranking.
He's playing that way. I mean, you got the best center, two-way center in the game other than Sidney Crosby, I would say, and Patrice Bergeron. Pasternak is the best player from the Czech Republic since Jeremy.
From a world-renowned university? If you answered yes to any of these questions, Arizona State University is the perfect school for you. Arizona State University offers over 200 highly ranked degree programs 100% online. You'll learn the same degrees you would on campus.
Usually we stop for those, though.
Somebody in the end zone. That was number one. And I'm sorry, I didn't mean to go so long. No. The second one would be on the 2nd and 9 at the third in the third quarter with about I don't know.
And it won't work forever, and it won't work enough to get him in the playoffs. Thank you. Let's go to Nick in the truck. Nick, you're on the mark.
New roof installed next week, weather permitting. Plus, you get free gutters or gutter covers with your new roof purchase. Call 800-591-3956. That's 800-591-3956.
Charges only 25%. Car accidents, truck accidents, fall down accidents, work accidents, industrial accidents, any accident. There's no fee unless they win your case. Listen to me, the Super G.
Let's no lights on, right in the middle of the street.
Right, like move over.
It's like they heard me, Jesus.
Since you and I are Ric Flair fans, I know you love the nature for it. I would say, as it pertains to Clemson, I would simply state, if I were them, to be the man.
The last jackass tried to say that I cut him off, now I cut you off.
Now for an important announcement. Do you, or does someone you know, sweat the bed? Do you ever wake up feeling like you've been sleeping on a slip and slide? Sweating the bed is a serious but a common problem that affects your sleep, health, and happiness. Plus, it's just plain gross.
Did you ask, will they make the playoffs?
And will they beat LA?
Can I make it conditional? If they beat LA, they make the playoffs? Or is that a cop-out?
That's not unreasonable.
Yeah, I think that's it, because after that, Mark, like you just said, look at the schedule. You know, from there, it's just taking care of business.
You know what my prediction sort of is? That they lose to LA and then Cleveland ruins their season.
It really could.
Cleveland at Cleveland in a short week's going to be no push-offs.
But what else is on the top of your brain? We just have to be stingy tonight. We can't have turnovers in those dangerous areas.
Brings, I'll be there. I'll be there.
Buy 2 tires, get 2 free. Now through
Dumb fucks.
You know, if the NFL or any other sports league tried to do something this absurdly, you know, you would say, oh, you know, we're going to put the team that won last year as a top seed coming into the next year, you know, because they...
Now cleared. Parkway East, inbound jamming, 2nd Avenue to the Fort Pitt Bridge. Outbound jams, Oakland, Edgewood, Swissvale. Brandon Joseph, total traffic.
The way that they're playing their game, St. Louis is so difficult. I don't think they're going to really miss too much with Tarasenko out.
Nature Valley brings that satisfying crunch that gets your family going again with real delicious honey and whole grain oats. So get out here. Nature Valley, oats and honey crunchy bars.
Rivers Casino Pittsburgh is the experience you've been craving. Don't miss our Wine and Beer Fest on Saturday, November 16th from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Enjoy over 50 varieties of beer and
City Beer was there when a nation divided, built a city forged of iron and coal. When industry emerged from our own backyard, and the local breweries rallied together to survive.
Whatever it is, then we take it out. Or we may think something is less important, but as a week goes on, it becomes evident that it is more important than we initially thought, and it needs to be addressed.
I think he's off due to getting that concussion, and I think Randy, the offensive coordinator, and Tomlin don't want to expose him and let him try to do anything because I don't think he can. I don't think the concussion is.
That was not so bad. That was not so bad. Was it gonna do the two-step and cap?
What the fuck are you doing?
Sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get it.
Let me take back my life. I'd rather be all alone. Anywhere on my own, cause I can't say.
He would know about these kinds of things. Yes, there's a primary receiver on every play, and that's the first guy you're supposed to look at. And you have an idea.
Every time you use your debit card, that could really help with your financial goals, like reducing debt, automatically building up savings, and paying down debt with Easy Up.
That's the way I look at it. If you're not ready to come back,
He's a guy who can command the double teams, and so I just think losing that, being able to double team, and not having the type.
Now pause for station identification on the Pittsburgh Steelers Football Network.
Actually wants me to go.
Brought to you by the law firm of Bordas & Bordas, a proud partner of the Pittsburgh Steelers. Bordas & Bordas.
Do you want to push? Do you want to push?
Oh, battery died.
Yeah, I can do it. Holy shit. That is one big tree to have come down. It's a curb, hop it.
They could win 5 easy. They might lose games they shouldn't because that is a Tomlin tradition, but that is a weak run of the schedule.
No, you're right. I think a week ago we were talking about that exact same thing, and I was saying if you look, I remember what was happening, all of the injuries that they've got. You know, that's a great job by this team to rally around that. I mean, who thought the defense was going to be as effective, as devastating as they
Here's the thing
are?
with the defense. The defense allowed Brian Bull to throw 3. Just Tomlin, and Stone Cold Terrell Austin. The NFL just isn't going to overturn interference calls. They regret making it.
Success, and the game's changed a lot. You can't play up and down the ice in a track meet. You got to be about the puck. You got to be conscientious.
How you doing?
I got the ticket. Oh, you're awesome, man.
Thanks. Right. Yeah, it happens every once in a while.
I was kind of pushing off, but then I was like, well, keep room.
Right.